Okay, so welcome back. So in this video, may pag-uusapan natin would be L'Hopital's rule for 1 raised to infinity, 0 raised to 0, and infinity raised to 0. Okay? So again, if we have 1 raised to infinity, 0 raised to 0, and infinity raised to 0, they are all indeterminate forms. Okay? Indeterminate forms. Okay, so 1 raised to infinity is not equal to 1. Okay, 0 raised to 0 is not equal to 0 or not equal to infinity. Okay, and infinity raised to 0 is not equal to infinity or 1. Okay, so they are indeterminate forms. Okay, so kung meron tayong form na ganyan, something raised to something, then dapat yung form din na limit natin as x approaches a is a function raised to a function, no? Para maging something raised to something, para maging 1 raised to infinity, 0 raised to 0, or infinity raised to 0. Okay? So, paano yung magiging transformation nito? So, para ma-apply natin yung L'Hopital's rule, ang gagawin natin is we do limit as x approaches a ng e to the ln ng f of x raised to g of x. Okay? So, bakit pwede natin gawin yung ganito? Kasi, yung e to the ln ng kahit ano is equal to just the function na nasa loob ng ln. No? So, if we have e to the ln of x, naalala natin na ito ay magka-cancel and this is just equal to x. No? So, itong expression na to is also equal to just this expression. Okay? So, ano naman kung na-express na natin sa e to the ln ng f of x, g of x, no? So ngayon, pwede natin siya i-simplify, no? Pwede natin siyang gawin na limit as x approaches a ng e to the g of x ln of f of x. Tama? We can use the power rule. Okay? So pagkababa niyan, we can just evaluate yung limit na to. No? So just evaluate the limit as x approaches a ng g of x times ln of fx. Okay? So, ngayon, since we have limit ng x approaches a ng g of x times ln of f of x, this will be in the form of 0 times infinity or infinity times 0. Okay? And, natutunan na natin kung paano i-solve yung mga ganitong forms. Tama? Yung f of x times g of x na infinity times 0 or infinity 0 times infinity, itatransform natin siya, di ba, into f of x all over 1 over g of x. Tama? Para magamitan natin ng L'Hopital's rule. Okay, so we can use L'Hopital's rule. Okay? And remember, na we are just evaluating the limit netong exponent na ito. Okay, so overall, kunyari, this would be equal to L, then yung limit natin would be equal to limit as x approaches a ng e to the g of x ln f of x is equal to e to the L. Okay, remember na yung kinuhanan lang natin na limit is just the exponent, no? So e to the L. And if L is a real number, then sabihin natin na e to the L lang siya. Tama? Pero if L is equal to infinity, diba? So magiging e to the infinity to, and this would just simplify to e to the infinity. Pero kapag L is negative infinity, then this is e to the negative infinity. Or if we simplify this is 1 over e to the infinity, which is just equal to 0. Okay? So, ganun lang naman yung paggamit ng L'Hopital's rule kapag we have 1 raised to infinity, 0 raised to 0, and infinity raised to 0. No? So, again, express it in the form ng e to the ln of f of x raised to g of x. And then, since pwede natin ibaba yung g of x using power rule, magiging in the form of g of x times ln of f of x na lang yung kailangan natin. And then, magiging in either of 0 times infinity siya or infinity times 0. And pagka may infinity times 0 tayo, gawin lang natin yung ganitong transformation. And we can now apply L'Hopital's rule directly. Okay? So, see you in our next videos para sa example.